What's good, YouTube? Damn, dark as fuck. Back again with another video, you feel me? I'm back again. But yeah, today we're gonna be working on the 240, on my 240. So from the previous video, or the last video y'all seen me working on my 240, the problem with you know, tires hitting the coilover, you know what I'm saying? Got the spacers for that. And today we also gonna be changing the tension rods. Got the ISR tension rods from a homie. You feel me? These aren't brand new. These been used. You can tell, obviously. But yeah, we just gonna be changing out the tension rod, man. And yeah, you feel me? Just simple like that. I just got off work not too long ago. Just got off work not too long ago, so it's real simple, real easy. So go ahead and give y'all a rundown, man. Pretty much just you gonna unbolt this one, 17, and then they got these two right here. You feel me? Let me know in a comment if you see anything weird about this right here. Let me know. Definitely don't look right. So y'all guys let me know in the comment if you think anything wrong with that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get them bolts off and get this motherfucking shit on. Got the bolt out. So that's hella long. Pretty much what you want to do is line them up, line them motherfuckers up. You know what I'm saying? Make sure they're about the same length. Probably make it a little longer because it's a little bit off, but want to make sure it's the same length. But yeah, we're about to put the, I wouldn't say new, but put this aftermarket one on. Let's do it. A little closer. How you doing?
Oh. Camera?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Recording, yeah.
For fan.
Like YouTube.
YouTube. Oh.
Like a documentary, you know. Building it.
Good.
Yeah. Alright guys, the tension rod is on. About to get ready to do this the other side real quick. I already know I'm definitely finna need an alignment after this, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the spacers on real quick, and we're gonna jump right on the other side. Looks weird, man. Hold on, let me show y'all under. Okay. See what I'm saying? This side is installed. Everything's tight, you feel me? About to add the washer to this, not the washer, but the spacer. Spacer to the side as well. And I'm putting the wheels back on, tighten everything down, and take it around the block. Hopefully nothing scratches. Now on this side, where the coilover was hitting, it clears it now. I don't know if you guys can see, but it doesn't hit no more. Damn, I wish I had a flashlight. But yeah, it clears it now. So that spacer did some just isn't, you know what I'm saying? You don't hit the coilover no more. So yeah, let me put this tire back on, this wheel back on this side, you feel me? And then I'm gonna take it around the block real quick. I'll just see you guys inside. Focus, dog. Alright, you guys, it's gonna be it for this video, man, you feel me? I took it out for a test drive. I was able to get out on the streets and it drove well. It still scrapes a little bit, but it could be just the brakes, you know, settling in and trying to, you know, how you say it? You know, get the shape and shit in, you feel me? So it still like scrapes pretty hard when I reverse. Now I don't know the problem with that. Like tomorrow I'm gonna take it to work and me and Ren gonna jack it up and, you know, look under there. But I did get the tension rods on, you feel me? Those are installed. I probably will go get not an inspection, alignment tomorrow too as well, you feel me? So yeah, that concludes this video, you feel me? Just a quick install video, nothing too long. You already know what to do, you feel me? Go ahead and like this video, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, you know what I'm saying? Let them know Clutch TV about to get shit cracking. We got shit moving, man. If y'all didn't see yesterday's video, make sure y'all go watch that video, man, to see Ren's new motor, you know what I'm saying? Ren got a new motor, you feel me? But you already know. I'll see y'all tomorrow.